Hey everyone, welcome to Tron King YouTube channel. Guys, if you need promotion of any website, especially if you need promotion of T-Rex website, Tron websites, then you can definitely contact us. You can contact us via Telegram, and you can also contact us on WhatsApp. You can get my contact details in the description box. Okay, guys. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can make money from this website. This is a Tron website, and first of all, you have to register your account here. You have to click on registration, and in the for registration you need the refer link of your upline. You can get my referral link in the description box. After you will click on the link, you will see the interface like this. You have to register your account first. For that you have to put your number here, the invitation code option here. Automatically you will see my invitation code, and after that you have to write here login password, and then you can also write the security password. After that, guys, click on registration and your account will be registered, and after that you can log in your account, and further I will tell you how you can recharge and how you can withdraw from this website. तो गैस मैंने यहाँ पे अपने अकाउंट को लॉगिन कर लिया है। एक चीज़ आपको बता दूँ कि ये बेसिकली टीरेक्स की साइट है, उसके बारे में मैंने आपको बताया हुई है कि ये इतना ज़्यादा ट्रस्टेड मेरे ख्याल से, मतलब इनको आप नहीं समझना चाहिए आपको बाकी आप खुद समझदार हो, और मैं इसका जस्ट रिव्यू कर रहा हूँ। बाकी इसमें मैं आपको नहीं कह रहा कि आप इसमें कोई ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट लो। ठीक हो गया। और सबसे पहले इसमें रिचार्ज. So first of all, guys, about recharge, you have to click on recharge option, and after that withdraw option. So you can click on withdraw. For recharge, click on recharge. You will see two options like investment account and after that basic account. You have to click on your basic account and click on basic account, and you will see the address of this company. If you want to deposit, you have to send money on this address. For that you have to copy the link, and the minimum amount is 5 TRX. Okay, guys, the minimum amount is 5 TRX. Click copy, go to your Trust Wallet or any of your Tron wallet. You can also send money from Binance account or any other like Fastest Pay or any other account that related to Tron. Okay, guys. So guys, I am here into my Trust Wallet account. I am going to deposit 18 TRX. I have 20 TRX in my account. So 1.1 TRX is a network fee. So if you have 20 TRX, you can deposit 18 TRX, and after that click on confirm option. Guys, after confirmation, you will see the option here pending. This will remain pending just for 10 to 5 seconds. Okay, that's it, guys. The transaction is completed from here, and now I will go back to the website. You can see here option like registration, recharge completed. So you have to click on recharge completed. You must have to click on recharge completed. If you not click on this button, your recharge will not be completed. Okay, guys, click on recharge completed, application submitted. You will see the window application submitted, and after that you will be here on the home page. And one thing, guys, I want to discuss with you, that you will see the option here, the funds here, 5,000 registration bonus, and if you register on this website you will get 5,000 रजिस्ट्रेशन बोनस. और बाकी यार गाइज, मैं इसमें एक चीज़ बताऊँ कि 5,000 जो रजिस्ट्रेशन बोनस है ये आप विड्रा नहीं कर सकते. मतलब इसमें विड्रा के लिए ये जस्ट दिखाने के लिए, जितनी भी टीरेक्स की साइट्स होती हैं ये आप समझ लो कि ये जस्ट दिखाने के लिए ही होता है, और इसमें कोई सीन नहीं है. एंड फर्दर you have to refresh for the real deposit, and you will see your deposit in few seconds, like 20 seconds, 50 seconds. So guys, you can see here my recharge is completed. Now I have received my 18 TRX. Now I'll show you how you can withdraw from this website. Click on withdraw option. There are two options like promotional account and basic account and gift account. Promotional account is, if we click on promotional account, you will receive your referral income from the in this section. Okay, guys. So one thing I want to conclude, if you click on share option, you can see your referral link. You can share this referral link. You will get 3 level referral commission, like on first level, let me confirm it, guys, 13% on first level, and 6% on second level, and 3% on third level. Okay, guys. And After that guys, I will go for live withdraw. Click on withdraw option, and for example, if you want to withdraw, you have to first submit the your withdrawal limit. And you can see in basic account, you can see your withdrawal limit. My daily limit is 0.90 TRX on 18 TRX deposit. And after that, submit here your Tron wallet, submit here your withdrawal limit 0.90 or whatever your limit is. And after the security code is the security password which you submit during the registration on this website. After that, click on submit and your withdrawal will be instantly withdrawn. So guys, I have write my address, my daily limit plus my security password. Now I am going to click on submit, and you can see the success. That means I have my withdrawal is successfully completed. And guys, you can also see here that I have received withdraw here, and it's completed. uh, guys, this website this website is good, and you can join this website, and you can join it by your own choice. And this website is good. And if you want to make money, you can join this website. And also you can subscribe our YouTube channel for the next videos. And if you like this video, please must click on the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.